What is guidance and What is guidance and counseling? Ito yung kauna-unahang tanong sa mga nag-aaral ng profession na ito at sa mga nagtitake at magpupursue ng board examination. Pero ano nga ba ang meron dito at ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng mga salitang ito? Guidance and counseling. Hi, my name is Arkin. I am a licensed counselor and licensed psychometrician, and today we are going to define what is guidance and counseling. Kapag naririnig natin ang salitang guidance, marami tayong na-associate ng mga ideas and thoughts about this definition. Sometimes it is defined as to guide or to be guided by someone, which makes sense kasi yun yung keyword ng salitang guidance. Guide. Sometimes ang guidance ay na-associate sa isang physical office na kung saan may mga tao ito or professionals na nagpo-provide ng services or ng assistance para sa mga client na nangangailangan ng services na ito. Pero ano nga ba ang guidance? Guidance is defined as to direct or provide assistance to someone who needs help. In a broader context, guidance are services that are readily available to people of all ages, genders, sexes, races, and socioeconomic statuses. Guidance is an act of providing services to potential clients para sila ay ma-assist in overcoming their challenges na nararanasan. Ngayon, counseling is another perspective na kailangan nating maintindihan dito sa context na ito. Kanina, tinanong natin kung ano ang guidance and counseling and we can observe na nandoon yung salitang counseling, which means na malaki ang role na ginagampanan ng counseling sa profession na ito. So, ano nga ba ang salitang counseling? Counseling, according to Robert Gibson and Marian Mitchell, both are counselors in the United States, is a one-to-one relationship with a trained counselor focuses on specific aspects of the client's adjustments, developmental and decision-making needs. Ang counseling ay binibigyan ng pagkakataon ang client at ang counselor na magkaroon ng tinatawag na counseling relationship as they collaborate in making what we call informed decision para magkaroon ang client ng understanding sa kanyang pinagdadaanan, mag-explore ng opportunities para sa mga options sa kanyang goals at mag-initiate ng change sa kanyang behavior. Ngayon, isa pang definition ng counseling according kay Imelda Virginia Villar, isang Filipino psychologist, counselor and author ng librong Empowering Lives Through Comprehensive Guidance Program. Counseling is a goal-oriented relationship between professionally trained, competent counselor and an individual seeking help for the purpose of bringing about meaningful awareness and understanding of the self to new environment, improving plans and decision-making, and formulating new ways of behaving, feeling, and thinking. Meanwhile, ang implementing rules and regulations ng Republic Act 9258 or mas kilala natin sa tawag na Guidance and Counseling Act of 2004, which by the way dapat aware tayong lahat, lalo na tayong mga practicing counselors and future counselors in the future, defines counseling as a face-to-face helping relationship and a mission of service. So in general, counseling is a collaborative and mutual relationship between the client, both in individual and in group setting, and counselor na nagpo-provide ng assistance sa client in making informed decisions about their challenges and also future goals. Ang counseling ay nangangailangan ng active and collaborative participation ng client at ng counselor in developing counseling goals so that maging ready si client na harapin ang kanyang mga challenges and obstacles paglabas niya ng counseling session and make sense of the challenges na kanyang nararanasan. Ang counseling ay gumagamit ng iba't ibang empirical counseling techniques na kung saan tingin ni counselor ay applicable sa iba't ibang issues, concerns at challenges na maaaring harapin ni client. Pag-uusapan natin itong iba't ibang counseling techniques na ito in future videos. So, consider subscribing to the channel. Ngayon na na-define na natin kung ano ang guidance at kung ano ang counseling, let us now go to guidance and counseling. Side note, magkaiba ang definition ng guidance, ng counseling, at ng guidance and counseling. Now, guidance and counseling, as also defined in the implementing rules and regulations of RA 9258, is a profession that involves the use of an integral approach to the development of a well-functioning individual, primarily by helping himself or herself to utilize his or her potentials to the fullest and plan his or her present and future in accordance with his or her abilities, interests, and needs. Now, key points na dapat nating maging familiar sa definition na ito are: 1. Ang guidance and counseling primarily caters to well-functioning individuals na merong kakayanan na mag-provide at magbuo ng tinatawag na informed decision sa kanyang mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay. 2. Ang aim ng guidance and counseling is to provide assistance and help to these individuals to utilize and maximize their skills, capabilities, attitudes, and values to take actions with their goals and decisions in life. And 3. Ang guidance and counseling provides assistance to clients to create plans for their present course of actions and also their future goals in life based on their abilities, interests, and needs na nagmamatch sa kanilang plans and goals in life. If you want to learn more about guidance counselors, who we are, and what we do, and also how we differ from other mental health professionals, check the link in the description below for the next video. Let me know kung meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito about guidance and counseling by clicking the like button. Comment down below your thoughts, your ideas, or something that you would like to share about what is guidance and counseling. Hit the subscribe button as it helps and supports the channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Stay safe, spread awareness, and start change. This is Arkin, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys!